What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Airborne in the house, dropping you guys the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news and updates. Today is July 11th, 2022, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, the total crypto market, and I got a couple Voyager updates at the end. Should be a pretty quick video. If you guys think that's interesting, stick around. I'll tell you all about it. All right, guys, hopefully you're having a great Monday. Before we begin, I do want you guys, if you want, smash that thumbs up button on your way in. Consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and turn on the bell notification so you get notified as soon as I upload a video. It's the easiest thing that you guys can do to help support the channel. It's truly appreciated. All right, so like I said, we're going to do a quick crypto market overview, talk a little bit about Bitcoin, and then I got a couple Voyager updates for you guys. If you guys want to skip to whatever section, I always do put timestamps in every single one of my videos. You can either look at the pinned comment down below or just skip throughout the video. So just do it for you guys. All right, so let's just jump into quick market overview. Let me refresh it. So yeah, Monday we got wrecked. Traditional markets, everything's wrecked today. Down about 6.92% the last 24 hours. We got Bitcoin down about 4.76%, sitting at about 19,830. We got Ethereum's down about 6.96%, currently sitting at about 1,086. We got BNB's down about 3.93%. XRP's down. Cardano's down about 5.73%. Last 24 hours, pretty much everything is down. Let's take a look at the top gainers, though. AirSwap, never heard of it, but it's up 69.34%. Rari Governance Token up about 9%. Request up about 8.87%. But doesn't look like too much was green today. Top losers. Aventis down about 15.87%, Power Ledger down about 15.36%, Origin Token down about 15.33%, but like I just said, pretty much everything is red today. Today is July 11th, 2022. What holidays we got going on? It's National Free Slurpee Day, State Fair Food Day, World Population Day, All-American Pet Photo Day, Baldur's Day. I don't know who that is. Synonymous with censorship. Okay, cool. Cheer Up the Lonely Day, Day of the Flemish Community, International Essential Oils Day, International Town Criers Day, Nadam Holiday. Got another lot of holidays, it looks like. 7-Eleven Day, Blueberry Muffin Day, Culture and Senior Citizens Day, Mojito Day, Polyphenol Day, Rainier Cherry Day, Swimming Pool Day, Benzodiazepine Awareness Day, Lisa Rinna and Lil Kim Day. Quite a bit, looks like we had today, July 11th. Wow. All right, crypto bubbles for you visual people out there. Sia Red, not surprised. Looks like the only thing up is AR Arweave, up about 7.3%. Let's take a look at my favorites. Doge is down 6.4%. 8 is down 5%. Matic's up, though, 3%. That's not too bad. Let's take a look at the hourly. So it looks like things are starting to tiny bit recover the last hour or so. I mean, it is 9:06 p.m. Eastern Standard my time. Yeah, we'll just keep an eye on it. Just keep an eye on it. Total crypto market cap came down a little bit. It's kind of look like we've just been going sideways right here. Currently looking at about 864 billion according to TradingView. Let me just refresh here on CoinGecko. Always a little bit higher. Says we're down about 4.6% the last 24 hours. Looking at about 923 billion on CoinGecko. Let's see, Bitcoin dominance, down a little bit from the previous couple days, currently looking at about 43.82%. And here's the thing I always talk about, and this definitely held true, the DXY. DXY is pumping right now, currently at about 108.27%. If you guys don't know who, or if you don't watch any of my videos and you just stumbled across this video, but apparently what happens is whenever the DXY is up, usually the traditional markets and the crypto markets are down. That's basically what we saw today. I mean, there's a whole bunch of other things going on in the world. China's having bank runs. Inflation numbers are coming out Wednesday. So there's just a whole bunch of crazy, macroeconomic and geopolitical stuff going on. Just seems like it's never going to end. CNBC, we got the Dow Jones. This is the futures. Let me just click. Futures are all down. But yeah, earlier today, pretty much got wrecked. S&P down 1.15%, NASDAQ down about 2.26%. All right, so first thing I want to talk about is Bitcoin. It's a little bit of technical analysis and some things that I'm observing. So I did a video the other day about the Adam and Eve pattern. It kind of looks like that did not happen, so I just wanted to give you guys an update. Essentially what it is like a double bottom. You have a V-shaped bottom followed by a more curved, where then you essentially go upwards real quick. So let me just see real quick. Oh man, I just exited it out. I wonder if I can bring that back up. But yeah, Adam and Eve, double bottom. You got that V-shaped followed by the U here, and then it goes back out. Essentially, we didn't have that happen. However, though, there is a cup and handle forming right now, so that's really good to see. Essentially, what this is this would be the Eve section of the chart that I just had pulled up. Now this is the cup, followed by the handle, this downward channel right here, followed by a breakout. So we have that going on right now currently with Bitcoin, now that the Adam and Eve pattern did not play out. So keep an eye on that right now. And then the next thing there is, for you astronomy people out there, and yeah, I always take this with a grain of salt, but it's pretty interesting because sometimes it correlates Bitcoin, the movements and whatnot, with the new moons and the full moons. So the 13th of July, which is here in about 2 days, the next important date that this guy's watching is that day. Full moon usually is the local bottom signal. Conjunct Pluto, strong price movements, and Capricorn. We get CPI data that day in the morning. We might dump into it and then recover later. So just depending on the inflation numbers, I'm expecting it to at least have come down a little bit in June. I've been noticing prices all around me. I don't know if you guys have noticed prices like gas prices. All the commodities are down. Real estate's just, oh man, there's just so much inventory out there, and the prices are coming down. So no one's buying with the mortgage rates going up and whatnot. So I'm curious. I know Wednesday's going to be a huge day for the CPI numbers. And let's just take a look at those moon phases again. So like I said, it's not always accurate, but usually when we have a new moon, we'll dump into the full moon, and then once we have the full moon, plus or minus a couple days, it'll pump into the new moon. So like back here in February, new moon, kind of dumped into the full moon, pumped up a little bit into the new moon, dumped down here, pumped in the new moon, dumped into the full moon, pumped a little bit, but like I said, it's not always valid, so just keep an eye on that, you guys. Let's see, so we had this full moon here, didn't really do anything into the new moon we just had, and then we just dumped within the last day or so, hopefully into the coming full moon on Wednesday. You know, it might take a day or two, but we could see a potential relief hopefully soon, but I don't know, we got to keep an eye on it. And again, here's a couple Fibonacci time sequences that I did plot out. I was messing around with it, but I did take the high that we had back in April of 2021, right at the peak where it kind of predicted that top. Then I did put it down here to the bottom. And then here we kind of predicted it go up a little bit. And then this kind of move right here, it looks like it might have predicted this jump here. And then this right here, always, like I said, this is the daily, so this is plus or minus right here. This pump up here kind of signaled the bottom here. And then check this out, guys. So if I zoom in here, we have a time sequence coming up exactly on 13th of July. So we got that full moon. We got this time sequence. So is this going to be an indicator to the upside or the downside? I have no idea. We're just been in this nasty bear trend since the end of, or the middle of November of last year, and it just doesn't seem like it's never going to end. So I don't know, guys. How are you guys all holding up out there? It's pretty crazy. So like I said, guys, let's see. Release date is July 13th for the June CPI numbers, 8:30 a.m. Definitely keep an eye on that one. I did want to chart out something here real quick. Like I said, I don't edit any of my videos, so I'm just going to do this real time. There is this channel that we have been going in right here. Let me just draw this out real quick. Here, we got the other one for the bottom. Okay, bear with me, folks. So I'll just take this channel here. Let me just go back and do... I need to just get trading view. I need to get the moon phases out of this thing. All right, so you can see a little bit. Okay, so I'll take this bottom here and then kind of the lower ends here. So yeah, so first off, I need to get my technical analysis a lot better. This is all, like I said, I don't edit any of my videos, so this is all real time, at least while I'm recording. But yeah, you guys have been seeing that there's this channel that we're moving in. We didn't quite hit it here, but this has kind of been a good support line moving forward. So again, I wouldn't be surprised if we saw Bitcoin come all the way down to about 19.5-ish 19.4, but using this kind of as a support. So maybe, the numbers, CPI numbers come out Wednesday, whether it be positive or negative, it'll dip us down, but then maybe we're going to see a recovery just kind of bouncing in and around this channel. So that's the other thing I wanted to bring to you guys. All right, last thing I want to talk about today is a couple Voyager updates. We did get an email, and then they did tweet out a little blog post about what's going on with the current situation and everything. Nothing really new, not really big updates or anything, just kind of the reassurance that they keep stating that if you are holding USD cash in Voyager, that you most likely will get that back. Pretty much this is all no new news that we don't already know. What will happen to the crypto in my account? They're saying we're going to get the pro rata of crypto and Voyager tokens. I don't like that at all. Can you tell me how much crypto will get back? Like they said, they are proposing customers receive their crypto as described above. The exact numbers depend on what happens with the restructuring process and the recovery of 3AC. We understand it's an important issue. Provide updates as soon as possible. So who knows how long this is going to take. The final reorganization plan always obviously is going to change. I do believe the next court hearing is on August 4th, so that is a couple weeks away. And who knows what we're going to get along that line. There was apparently an offer from some company for $250 million. I don't even know if it's valid, but let me see. Obi-Wan, shout out to him. He's knowledgeable dude in the space, but he said that it was an absolute garbage offer. Should have gone straight to the trash. PR stunt by Binance scam chain project, no liquidity, that listed only this year on a third-tier exchange. No proof they even have the funds. So people are just doing this for publicity. I agree. Lithosphere, apparently developer Kaj Jabs announces letter of intent to acquire Voyager. Like I said, I don't even know if this is real. At least that's what everyone's saying. And then just another thing from Obi, like I just previously mentioned, not anything new here. They still believe the standalone option to be the best for account holders and are pursuing funding and acquisition deals. So probably will get a couple other deals. I forget from the PowerPoint how many offers they did have under NDA and whatnot. And also that Moelis company is helping them assess the standalone value of the new company post Chapter 11. So he's saying that it's just like getting your home appraised when it's put up for sale. Evaluation helps if they're putting the company core assets, the IP brand, up for collateral for a funding loan too. This guy said the best would be for a third party to come in and buy Voyager and make their customers whole. There shouldn't be a standalone plan where we get pennies to our dollar. That's why it's called a stalking horse plan. Sets the floor, so any bids would need to be above the proposal. The offer to table Swifties doesn't cover anything. I definitely agree with that. So like I said, they have Moelis and company trying to get a standalone price, so that kind of sets the floor price for these upcoming offers potentially to buy out Voyager and whatnot. So I don't know. I have no idea what's going to happen with this. I'm keeping an eye on it, and I'll keep you guys updated as things come about. But it's going to be a long couple weeks until the next hearing on August 4th. Who knows what happens? Hopefully you guys are all staying strong out there. Again, like I said, my DMs are open if you guys do want to talk to me. I'm just taking it day by day, just using all this crazy stuff as a crazy just learning experience moving forward and whatnot. Hopefully you guys do too. That's all I have for you guys. Smash that thumbs up button on your way out. Go follow me on TikTok at Crypto Airborne. Also go follow me on Instagram at Crypto_Airborne if you want to, and then go follow me on Twitter. That's where I do all the latest and greatest real-time updates and where I am the most active. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great rest of your night. That's all I got for you, short and sweet. Crypto Airborne out. Have a good one, everybody.